Okay, hopefully we're back on. This is what I said. Oh, let me try and get back on. Right, I've come back on live now. And we're just going to have to wait till people join. We'll have to give it a minute or two. Are we back on now, guys? I'm not sure what happened there. We're back on. This is why I said, make sure you're following me in case there's any issues. So I try my best. I'm usually back on within like a minute or two. And I'm hoping it's going to stick. So I don't know why it went off. So you fell asleep, Dina. Welcome back. We're just about to start the quiz. So it was albatross. Yes, it was. The answer was albatross. So if you said albatross, give yourself 10 points. We're just going to give it another minute. Grab yourself a drink. I'll make a start in another 1 minute just to get people. There might be people still waiting for me to come back on. So grab yourself a drink really quickly. If it ever goes off, I give it usually 3 or 4 attempts. But hopefully. I hope you can all hear me. It keeps going off for some reason. I don't know why it's doing that. It keeps saying invalid broadcast session. But there has been a few issues with TikTok this week, so maybe it's got something to do with that. I know you can all hear me because I'm back on. I'll just have to keep pressing the resume button and see what happens. So let's carry on anyway. If it goes off, I'll know. And I'll come straight back on. But I have to do it on my phone. Right, question, that was number 6. The answer was albatross. Right, question number 2. What is controlled by a rheostat? What is controlled by a rheostat? It's spelled R-H-E-O-S-T-A-T. What is controlled by a rheostat? Any guesses? I'll give you a clue. Something to do with... Let's just say you might have an electric shock. Oh, it keeps freezing for some reason. Yeah, a rheostat. R-H-E-O-S-T-A-T. Very close. You're very close, Tessie. I'll just give you another 10 seconds. Not electric fence, Paul, but good. You're very close. So Tessie's got it and Paul's got it, but you just need to merge your answers together and you might get the correct answer. So the answer was an electric current. So if you got that one, give yourself the 10 points. Well done. Right, question number 3 of tonight. Number 3. The Human Genome Project was an attempt to identify all 3 billion base pairs of what sort of molecule? The Human Genome Project was an attempt to identify all 3 billion base pairs of what sort of molecule? This is a good question. It's something we all have. Not chromosomes. Not hair. Oh, we have a correct answer in the chat. Well done to Graham. Graham's got the right answer. So the answer was DNA. Deoxyribonucleic acid. I don't know why I remember that at school. DNA is the correct answer. Well done to Graham. Right, question number 4. Tanning of the skin is caused by what type of radiation? Tanning of the skin is caused by what type of radiation? Yeah, we've got one correct answer. Well done. I think the reason, I've got a feeling that somebody didn't like the broadcast and they reported it. That's probably why it kept getting shut down for some reason. Because I think we've got a few trolls in tonight. But you know what we do with trolls? We put them under the bridge where they belong. And 3 strikes and you're out. It's as simple as that. Well done, Tessie. Well done, Niall. Yeah, well done. The answer is ultraviolet. Okay, number 5. This is your last one of the science and nature quiz. And then we're going to move on to the history and politics and finish the 5 questions off. Best of luck. Right, so question number 5. At 4.2 light years distance, which star is closest to the sun? At 4.2 light years distance, which star, this is quite a tricky question, if you know, you must know your stars, which star is closest to the sun? It's not serious. I'm not sure if anyone might guess this one. I'd be very impressed if you do. I will let you use your smart devices if you want. So which star is closest to the sun? Well done, Niall. Yes, I will accept that. I will accept. Because it's a tough question, that one. Yeah, well done, Tessie. Yeah, well done, guys. So the answer is Proxima Centauri. I think that's how you pronounce it. Proxima Centauri. Well done, guys. Right. Let's move on now to our history and politics. So here we go then. For 10 points, your question is: which former South Korean foreign minister became UN Secretary General in 2007? Which former South Korean foreign minister became UN Secretary General in 2007? Don't worry, there's a mix of questions here. If you're not sure, just put a question mark in the comments and we'll move on. But there might be one person that knows the answer. I'll give you a clue. The first word is the opposite to allow. And the second word of his name is the opposite of the sun. So put the 2 words together. Opposite of the word allow and opposite of the word sun. Well done, we have a correct answer. Yep, very good, guys. Graham, well done. Tessie, well done. So the answer is Ban Ki-moon. Ban Ki-moon. Okay, question number 7. The defenestrations of Prague were historical events involving protesters throwing their opponents where? So the defenestrations of Prague were historical events involving protesters throwing their opponents where? Where were they throwing their protesters? give you a clue. Well, don't need to give you a clue because we have a correct answer. The well done, Niall. Wasn't river. The answer was out of a window. Well done if you said that. Right, next question. We've only got 3 more questions left, so fingers crossed the broadcast. We went from 250 viewers who was taking part in the quiz, and the broadcast shut down. There was an issue, and then we're down to 5. So thank you, TikTok, for that. Right, question. We'll carry on though. We carry on because you never know. I might post this. I'll probably post this on the replay, so you can go and watch it. I'll tell people to watch it on Friday. Okay, question number 8. Kwame Nkrumah was the first president of which African country? Kwame Nkrumah was the first president of which African country? So lots of countries to choose from. Yeah, well done. We have a correct answer. So it wasn't Egypt. The answer was Ghana. Well done, Graham. Well done, Tessie. Well done, replay viewers, if you got that one. Okay, question number 9. So if you want more Wordscapes and more questions, we will be doing that on Friday morning, 10 a.m. Set a reminder. That's UK time. And that's British summertime, not GMT, which I've put on the poster. So I need to change that. Otherwise, we would still be in... Yeah, we're in British summertime now. Best of luck, guys. Last 2 questions. Question number 9. Harriet Tubman was an important figure in what 19th century American network? Harriet Tubman was an important figure in what 19th century American network? Think of a huge project at the time. What were a lot of people building at the time? We're talking the 19th century. So not the abolition of slavery. So it's something new, yes. Niall, you're very... I will accept that. I will accept. Not the road to freedom, but very good one. Niall, you got it. Well done. To be more specific, it was the Underground Railroad. So Niall, well done. 10 points. And we've come to the last question, so best of luck, guys. Here we go. Known as El Libertador, who led independence movements throughout South America? Known as El Libertador, who led independence movements throughout South America? This is a good question. And we have a correct answer. Well done, Graham. I think you've scored the most points tonight. And Tessie, you got lots as well. Well done, everyone else, if you got the answers correct at home. The answer was Simon Bolivar. Bolivar. So that's it, guys. Thank you for taking part. I'll be back on Friday morning, 10 a.m. And if not, I will see you maybe on Saturday evening for a special broadcast because of the issues we've had tonight. And I'll be back on Tuesday, next Tuesday. So do tell your friends, guys. Sorry for the technical issues. There's nothing I can do about that. But if you're watching this on a replay, then you must have got my message. So I will see you all then. Have a really nice evening, whatever you're up to. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys. And well done, everyone who got the points tonight. Bye for now.